One particularly interesting or particularly maybe even worrying thing about the Mexican case was this sort of reform was seen as like a very sort of, it was obviously politicized, and it was seen as sort of like a left-leaning reform in the central states, in the federal district. And so many other areas actually responded by increasing punishments for abortion. So there was like a backlash effect that even though abortion was already illegal, they sort of defined life as occurring from conception. And so in theory, it opened up the risk of being prosecuted for murder if you either helped with procuring an abortion or if you aborted. And so we look at that. What we found was that it actually didn't the initial feeling was perhaps this actually worsens women's health. What we found was that we didn't see any massive increases in rates of or actually, no, it could have done anything. So I guess we had like some prior ideas, but when we tested empirically, we didn't see any major changes in rates of women's health, which suggests that perhaps people, if they really need to abort, they're going to do it regardless